Hello everybody, this is Akanksha Singh and I'll be taking you through the entire series of maths and science. Don't forget to like. Hello everyone, today we're going to study acid, bases and salts, right? So this is a topic in chemistry in class 7th and we're going to understand what acid, bases and salts are. Now often the food items that we see have a taste, whether sour, whether bitter, right? Now, this sour and bitter taste of food is due to certain reasons. So, have you ever wondered why? I mean, why the food tastes sour? Why the food tastes a little bitter? Why so? Now, this is because the food content that we eat has some acidic property, has some bases in it, right? So, because of the property of a food, it tastes like that. Now, let's understand what an acid is or what a base is. Now, an acid, when we say acid, the moment that we say acid, the thing that should come into your mind is sour. You know that citrus effect, like lemon. When you squeeze a lemon, it tastes a little sour, right? So that is acid. So acid is sour in taste, and there's a litmus paper. If you go into your chemistry lab, uh, just pick up a litmus paper, and if you want to see whether that is an acid or not, what you can do is you will see that the color of the litmus will change from blue to red. Now that is an acid, right? So let's move ahead. That's as I told you that acids are sour in taste, as mentioned here, and they change the color of the litmus from blue to red. That is acid. Now let's go deeper into what acids are. Now the term acid is derived from the Latin word called acidus. Now acidus in the Latin era was actually meant as a sour, right? um, because they say that the acids say taste is sour. That is why we call it as acidus. It was derived from acidus. Now we've also learned that the common experiment, whether the given element is an acid or not, given content is acid or not, what we can do is we can pick up a litmus and see the color change. If the color is from blue to red, if color turns from blue to red, it is very sure that this is an acid. Okay. Now, let's jump on to what bases are. Now, bases are, a little bitter. They taste bitter, and when you touch it, it is little soapy, right? That slippery feel that you get is from the bases, and that bitter taste that you get is from the bases. So you have to remember that bases are bitter in taste and soapy to touch. Now, when you want to experiment whether the given element is a base or not, or whether the given food element content is base or not, what you can do is you can take up the litmus and see that the color change of the litmus will be from the red to the blue. So red litmus will then turn to blue. Okay. So why does it taste bitter? Because it tastes bitter because it releases OH minus ions in the aqueous solution, and that is the reason why base tastes like that. So one more thing is when you dissolve a base into a solution, that soluble base is called as alkali. Now that is very important. Alkali is a form of base, and you can say that the alkali is a soluble base. So always remember what are alkalis. Alkalis are soluble bases, and what are bases? Bases are bitter in taste, and they release OH minus ions in the aqueous solution, right? So now moving to what is a salt. Now, what is a salt? Whenever you get to react acids and bases, if you get a chance to pick up a caustic soda in the lab, chemistry lab, and HCl. If you mix them, there will be two formations. There will be a salt formation, there will be a water formation. Now, so you can say that the water is uh, salt is the outcome of acid and bases. When acids and bases react, you can generate salt and water. So that is what about salt is. We have also shown a reaction here, a chemical reaction here. We have shown caustic soda NaOH, and we have reacted it with HCl, hydrochloric acid. And when we react, it is actually NaCl and NaCl, formation of NaCl, and formation of H. One H is here, one H is here, and one single O is here. So H2O, this is what the formation is, right? So this is how H2O is formed. So this is all about acid bases and salts. Now let's see what are the homeworks given for you. So I have two questions for you, and substances which are sour in taste are called. So answer, I think hopefully you know the answer. And another question is, lemon has dash acid. So lemon, let me tell you the answer. Lemon has citrus acid in it, and that citrus acid is an acidic holds an acidic property. You can say that it sours, its taste is sour, and it can turn the litmus paper from blue to red. Okay, so that is all about acid bases and salts. Please let me know the answer of the first question in the comment box. I'll be waiting for your answer. And if you have any doubt regarding the videos or regarding any topic that has been taught in the video, you can please let me know in my comment box. I'll definitely answer those questions or share the video lectures, video notes lectures with you, so that it can encourage you to understand even more. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like my videos and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, class. Thank you.